Before loading any excavator, ensure all pre-shift checks are complete. The machine should be free of excessive mud. Check doors, lockers and windows are firmly shut, cab guards are securely stowed, and beacons removed and stowed in the cab. Site awareness is paramount and a risk assessment will have been completed in advance. This ensures that the loading environment is suitable. Particular care should be taken to ensure the lorry is level, i.e. there is no adverse camber, and weather and traffic conditions have been taken into account. The low loader driver lowers the trailer, ramps and the supporting legs. The road surface may need protection from the supporting legs at the back of the trailer. This could be with pads or timbers. The handbrake on the trailer must be deployed and a visual inspection of the bed will identify any obstacles. Communication between the driver and banksman is key to a smooth and safe operation. Typically, it will be the low loader driver that operates the excavator. Prior to loading, the boom is lowered for the banksman to prepare the locking strut. The hydraulics must always be isolated when personnel are working around a machine. With the machine isolated, release the strut by removing the locking pin. The boom is raised and the excavator approaches the low loader slowly under the guidance of the banksman. With the help of the banksman, the machine is lined up so that the centre of both tracks are evenly on the trailer. The arms should be set in front of the machine and the engine rev set to low idle. The weight of the arm is sufficient to tip the excavator to the horizontal once it reaches the top of the ramps. The operator is using a grab rail to keep himself steady in the cab whilst loading. Also note that he only uses his hands to control the tracking, not his feet. The machine slews round 180 degrees and the boom and dipper are lowered to the transport position. With the hydraulic isolator engaged, the banksman approaches the excavator to fix the transport strut in place. The banksman assists the operator, lining up the pinholes. This part of the operation requires skill, communication and a high degree of awareness of the risks involved. With the machine secured, the bucket is lowered into this position for transport to prevent movement and damage. Great care must be taken when working at height. The driver maintains 3 points of contact on the machine at all times. The excavator is switched off, the keys removed and windows and doors are closed, and finally the mirror is folded away for transport. There should be an adequate gap either side of the ramps to ensure that the hydraulic hoses and pipes are clear when the machine is on the move. The ride height is raised and the support legs stowed in the transport position. Before leaving site, the total vehicle dimensions are checked to ensure the clearance in tunnels and bridges along the route.